how to cast phone screen to your TikTok live studio. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to cast your phone screen to your TikTok live studio, first thing first is open up your TikTok live studio application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And as you can see, I've already logged in with my account. Now I want you to head over to this left section that is sources. Now simply tap on this add sources button over here. You should see there are two different ways to cast, whether you are using Android device or you are using iPhone. You can basically cast from both devices. So for now, I'll simply show you from an example that is for Android. So you can basically cast your mobile phone screen to your live screen. So once you select your desired device, first you can basically tap on this add button over here. And there are actually two different ways of casting. One is wired and one is wireless. So if you go for wired casting, you can use USB cable, install the driver, and you just have to open the TikTok application and just click on the add source button to continue. And if you are going for wireless casting, you can basically connect it to the same. Just make sure that you both of your PC and as well as your mobile phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi, and you just have to open the TikTok app on your phone and just click on plus and live studio and just select wireless casting, and finally click on this add source button to successfully continue with the casting of your phone onto your PC, just like that. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.